Welcome back to Stir Inside the Kitchen. Today we're making jalapeno popper chicken recipe that I found on Eating on a Dime. You're going to need the following ingredients right in front of you. Go ahead and cook your bacon ahead of time to a crisp. Go ahead and then fillet your chicken as been done already. It's about 1 pound of skinless chicken breast. Then go ahead and grab a 9x13 baking pan. Go ahead and put some grease it up, or use some Pam spray right on it, or butter. I just put the filet chicken on its back because it made me feel a little more fancy. I used salt and garlic powder because I didn't have garlic salt. You need about a teaspoon's worth. And then you're going to get 8 ounces of cream cheese softened and spread it right on there. If you don't have the time to soften it, go ahead and put it in the microwave for about a minute, or if you have on your microwave a soften option, do that. Then you're going to go ahead and put this to the side. Go ahead and put on some gloves because we're going to mess with the jalapenos now. And the juices, if they stay on your hands, they're going to burn for a while. So we're going to go ahead and remove the seeds and devein the jalapenos for a bit. And it takes a little bit of time to do this, but be careful. Try not to do this towards your face because it sprays, and if you get it on you, you need to wash it off as soon as possible. But after you've done this, you're going to go ahead and grab a cutting board and chop up these jalapenos. Now, you need about 3 jalapenos according to the recipe. So, go ahead and chop them up, as I've already said before, and set this to the side afterwards. Go ahead and do the same thing with your bacon, and it's about half a cup's worth of bacon crumbled that you want. So, we're going to go ahead and grab our baking pan right back, and we're going to put on half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese and spread it around the dish. And I tried to cover up the cream cheese, but not too successful. I would have added more cheese to this if I could, but if you don't, that's totally fine. Go ahead and add your jalapenos to this and then spread it out really well. I only used 2 jalapenos because I did not use all 3. If you want a little bit more spicy, add all 3. I think it also depends on how big your dish is. And then you're going to go ahead and add your bacon to this masterpiece. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And once it is preheated, you're going to go ahead and put this lovely dish here into the oven for about 30 minutes or until this is fully cooked. I will say this dish did not take very long to make. It actually was really easy. If I wasn't filming or anything, this would probably take about maybe at most 10 minutes to prep, and it was only 30 minutes to cook. I didn't have to put it back in the oven for additional minutes. I will say this, everyone's oven is a little different. You have to find what's best for you and what you have. I just tried to grab one of the fillets on the side to see if I can get that out. Let's just say this, it's a little challenging to do that because it's a bit liquidy at the bottom. And the cheese falls right off with the cream cheese. But if you liked what you saw here, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Or you can watch me make stuff live on stream on Twitch at www.twitch.tv/stirrinside. Thank you for hanging out. Everything for the recipe will be in the description down below. Have a good day.